back at it again with another video. We're just gonna jump into it. We got this Honda Civic for a detail. So they said they weren't happy with how they're, when they go through the car wash, it still comes out dirty and with spots. So I'm gonna try to hook them up with a clay polish and a ceramic coat. Let's get y'all close up. Let's see if we can get the watermarks. Oh, let's get to it. Quick little update. Just got this clay barred, or this side actually. So if y'all can see, the watermarks are gone, but there's still swirls in there. That's from drying it with towels and shit over time. You want to do a clay bar first. I don't know if y'all seen my other video when I detailed Blackie look. But if you haven't, go ahead and watch that video. I'll drop the link in the comments down below. But yeah, you want to do that first because it takes all the contaminants off the surface. Here's after clay bar. Don't mind the swirls or whatnot. You can hear the difference as well. There you go. No sound versus rough sound. So let me get to the other side. The hood and the car, the roof, the trunk. And I'll cut y'all back on after I'm done with the next step. So, got it all clayed. Like I said, you want to clay before anything. That way you get all the contaminants off the surface. You bring some of the shine back too. Clay bars can actually remove some oxidation if you have some. Luckily this car didn't have none. Some of y'all might wonder what I'm talking about when I say clay bar. It's like a little, well, it's clay. It takes off the surface contaminants. These are the ones that I'm using. I normally order mine online, but I couldn't find any right now, so I had to go to O'Reilly. So it is what it is. I know I might have to order some more now though, because for the price of those 3, I could have got like 30 of them. So that's what I get for being unprepared. So now it's time for polish. That way I can get out some of the swirls. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up or not. Like right here. You can see it more right here, but it's more on the top. Let's see if this angle will get it. Yeah. So let's see if I can take care of those. All right, so I'm buffing it out right now, or polishing it, and you can still see some of the swirls, but it's not gonna be perfect because I didn't wet sand it. But that's where a wet sand will come into order. You get it down, so that way the actual ones that are deeper in the clear, it can come up and then you polish it back out. But here's the difference between a polished surface and just a clay barred surface. As you guys can see, the reflection is still there because this is a pretty clean paint job, but That's what happens when you dry it with towels over time. And like I said, let me show y'all the difference. Boom. And this part's done. Not done. Done. So, let me finish up. Still gotta finish this side, that other side, the roof, and then I gotta ceramic coat it. Moving pretty good though. It's been an hour and a half, roughly. So, say I'm about 70% done. All right, let me finish up. All right, so I'm done polishing. Now gotta do the windows, the wheels. Then I'm gonna hit it with the ceramic coat. And it's done. Got it clayed, polished, and coated. Alright y'all, that's gonna wrap it up with today's video. If you like what you've seen, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit that like button and share it with your friends. Turn on them bell notifications. If you are gonna go out with your friends or family tonight, be safe, have a happy 4th of July. Till next video, alright, we out. Be easy.
Hey, yo, 40, what you cooking?
It's that down bad flow. Smash on the gas and I go. 100 on the dash and some gas in the backpack. Homie got a Mac in the back just in case they want the smoke. We been on the road since 4, and we ain't about to stop till the tank get low. We never let the bank get low. No, no.